Hey, our math mission today is to take on a simple interest problem. You want to remember the formula for simple interest is P times R times T. The principal times the rate times the time. All right, so let's start filling in our numbers. We have 588,614 times 10%, and I think I'll just show you this here, 10%. Lots of students can't quite remember how to do that. We take our invisible decimal and we move it 2 places to the left. So we have times 0.1, and then that is going to equal, I'll change the color here, $235,445.60. Kind of running out of room on my screen there, aren't I? Okay, this next part is easy. When we multiply by the 10%, we're just moving the decimal over here. So, oops, and I forgot my t there, times the t. So now I have 61.4. So my decimal is the wrong place. Now I'll put it in the right place. T, we're finding the time, equals 235,445.60. Okay. Final step in this equation is we got to get the t alone, so I have to get rid of this number here. I have multiplication going on the left-hand side of my problem, so the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide this by that 58,861.4, 40 cents. Okay, we'll grab our calculator now and pop in our big number, 235,445.60 divided by 58,861.4. Push equal, and we get a nice even number. It's 4. So our time equals the 4 years. Watch this simple interest problem as many times as it takes to see how to do a problem like this.